And now it's time for breakfast. We're going to have breakfast with Reynaldo, Sebastian, and Jose. And then after, we're going to take these fellows that they are being in rehabilitation in the house, hola, and we are going to bring them back to their facilities. They were called, they were held at my home for 20 days. Now they are so happy to be back. So, vamos para allá. Vamos a casa. Vamos. Vamos a casita, volvemos a casa, ¿verdad? ¿Estás contentos? Ajá. ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo dices, papito? No. Mira, tus primos ahí. Mira, look your cousins there. Everybody's happy that you're back in town. Están muy contentos, muy contentos. Vamos allá, vamos allá. Ok.
Papá. Papá. Hola.
Now what we're going to do is open the door, and we are going to leave them with the door open so they can go outside. But we're going to keep the food inside, and in the night we are going to cover these two for them to be protected for the cold, at least for 1 or 2 months. Shelter, a piece of cloth, shelter in the night.